this video. Hope you're having an awesome day. Thanks for taking some time every day to hang out with me. Today's video, I'm super excited because it is a collab with my girl, Brutally Honest Riri. She just recently rebranded to that and I am living for it. And today we will be doing a palette bingo. I haven't done one in a hot minute and I love them. And we are going to be using the lovely NATASHA DENONA Metropolis palette. I'm a little scared because I still have not used mine yet. She was talking about wanting to get more use out of it and had asked in one of her videos who has Metropolis, and I said, I do. She was like, so do you want to do a collab with the Metropolis palette? I said, sure. I haven't even used mine yet. So this baby is going to get at least 4 different uses because every Monday in January is going to be Metropolis Monday. So the first Monday is palette bingo. Definitely stay tuned and make sure you're subscribed to both of us for what the other Metropolis Mondays have in store. I will link my collabs playlist to watch previous collabs. And if you're visiting from Riri's channel, welcome. Thank you so much for checking me out. I hope you subscribe and give this video a like before you leave. It tickled me because Riri really wanted to get a lot of use out of her Metropolis palette because this palette is $129. My definition of $129 is preserving the palette. That's why it's untouched, and I've had it ever since it was released, guys. Look how stunning this color story is. I just could not bring myself to use this palette, even though this shade, this shade, this shade, that shade, this shade, that shade, you get it. All these shades are just so pretty. There's just like a wide variety of different options, mattes, shimmers, all the above in this palette, and I just love NATASHA DENONA so much. I really like how she has been focusing more on these smaller pan palettes. That way it gets a little bit more variety, and I know $129 isn't affordable, but compared to her other $129 palettes, you know, you get a nice variety of shades in this one, whereas you get like maybe 15 in her other ones, because I really want gold, but I can't bring myself to spend that much on that palette. I honestly can't tell you how that went over for those palettes. I was so drawn to it. It was probably that blue. We all know I am a sucker for a pop of blue. I will be choosing out 5 different shades. That's normally what I choose out for my palette bingos. I try to go in order as the shades are drawn, depending on what the numbers generator blesses us with. That may or may not be the case for this one because the random number generator always has a mind of its own. There are 28 different shades, so this is going to be 1 to 7, 8, and so on and so forth. Let's unlock the phone. Everyone, say hi to Brock. Hi, Brock. All right, random number generator. 4 is just the default one when I loaded up this website. So my max is 28. We're gonna generate 12. Okay, we have like a nice transition crease shade right there. So far, I can be down with that being the first one. And generate 2. Ooh, this shade, stunning as well. Hi, shade 2. Ooh, that one is creamy. I bet that's one of her like cream mattes. Oh, it's kind of like a poop color almost though. Ooh, what are we gonna create, honey? All right, generate 8. All right, we got a shimmer now. Generate 1. Huh, okay. Come on, there's 28 different shades, let's go. I guess we have like almost a grungy neutral look. We need 1 more shade. Feel like some of these are starting to like look similar. Pop of blue, let's go. 20. Aha, look at that pop of blue for that lower lash. Aw, yeah. Oh, look at that shade too. Stunning. All right, and this is what the random number generator blessed us with. So we got 1 matte, 2 cream shadows, and 2 shimmers to work it out. I think I am going to go in order. I don't really use cream eyeshadows that much, so I don't know how well those shades are gonna go over. All right, so this is the first shade that was drawn. Little bit of kick up in the pan, and going to use this all over the crease. Beautiful transition crease shade right here. The shade will also be used to clean up that poopy color when we go in. I'm very excited for said poopy color. Honestly, I'm unsure which brush is gonna be best for the poopy shade, if it's gonna be more cream, so Jesus, take the wheel. Oh, okay, this one seems to be going on okay. Kind of just focusing it where my lid increased me, and I guess to round out a little bit as well. Honestly, I wasn't really sure how this shade was gonna be used. I don't know why I get freaked out with the word cream in front of the word eyeshadow. Oh, it blends out really nice though. Also, I was kind of nervous for her cream formula because I've only used it once prior to this in her Love palette, the beautiful purple shade. I'm convinced I have a dud. I've said this like 1,000 times, but everyone loves that palette except for me. And so that's why I'm just like, did I get a dud or what? Because that cream shade, I could not get it to work. Because like this one, it's working. This one is pretty, that's pigmented, it's blending out really nice. Like I really like that almost airbrush finish it's giving off right now. But that purple shade in Love did not do this for me. I'm like torn which shimmer I truly do want to take on my lid. Probably the more gold. This one's gonna go probably inner corner. I'm gonna just quickly add the inner corner. Ooh, yeah. First, just because I do want to just go in order, I'm just gonna just establish it there. And then I'll go back in once we got the lid on. I guess the question will be, will lashes able to salvage this look a little bit? Lower lash time with this beautiful blue shade. I'm a little nervous how this is gonna show up. Might need a little bit more precise of a brush. Yeah, here we go. Oh man, if we didn't go in order of the palette bingo, this blue and green would have been absolutely stunning together. Gotta keep that in mind for next time. Yo, lower lash salvaged the look for sure. And then I'm just gonna go back in with that inner corner shade that we had placed on. Based off of prior experience with Natasha Denona, I wasn't a big fan of her cream shadows just because that purple one in Love was my only baseline of any experience, and I did not like it at all. At least for me, it did not blend out effortlessly like how the green and the blue did. Felt like these were just so effortless to use, and I am slowly hopping on that cream train. I'm loving cream blushes. Cream bronzers and highlighters, getting there. But now, like, these cream shadows, hell yeah. I'm just obsessed with their finish. It looks so airbrushed and smooth. It's definitely like the star of the show of this look. And then the shimmers are just so pretty as well. On the lid, it kind of gets overshadowed by the green and the lashes, but that inner corner is definitely popping. It's like, look at me, bitch. And then I'm gonna take my iconic London palette to complete the look, to bronze, blush, and highlight. Got this in my BOXYCHARM base box and my looks for December. I like it. I mean, the bronze is very subtle and it's more on the cooler side of a bronzer. So for me, it's appropriate for winter, but it's nice for when I'm filming videos. It's an easy one just to grab. Yeah, like that shade, oh, so nice. I love a nice bold blush. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Maybe this one. I think this will contrast the shimmers and the inner corners better. All that texture, look at that. And then for lips, I'm gonna take my MAC lipstick in the shade Marrakesh and then the Lunar Beauty gloss in the shade Aurora. And this is the completed look. I'm not gonna lie, I was a little scared how this look was coming together, but that blue definitely saved it for me. If I would have done it a little bit differently, maybe I've not gone in order. Instead of like the blue and the green being on opposite sides of each other, one being the crease, one on the lower lash, it would have been really pretty both on the crease, kind of like maybe like an ombre effect, with blue being on the outer V, green on the inner, and then a beautiful shimmer on the lid. But when I do palette bingos, I think it's a lot more challenging, a little bit more thrilling, thinking outside of the box, going in order to see what you create. I cannot wait to see which colors Riri got for her look. I will laugh if they're like the same shades as me. Definitely check her out. She's definitely one of my most supportive friends here on YouTube. We do our Carolina Girls collab. We have one Metropolis Monday. We even started planning out February collabs. So if you haven't checked her out yet, you're gonna keep hearing her name over and over and over again. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. And if you don't, I appreciate your view anyways, and I'll see you in the next video.